Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling the mobile hotspot on your phone because your Sony Bravia needs a Wi-Fi network to join. Turn on the hotspot, set a clear SSID and a WPA2 password. Choose 2. 4 GHz if the TV has trouble with 5 GHz. Once done, open the TV's settings, go to Network, and choose Set up Network Connection. You're doing this now to avoid extra steps later. Connecting first confirms the phone and TV can see each other before deeper configuration. After scanning, select your hotspot SSID and enter the password using the TV remote or the companion app to avoid typos. Make sure the TV's IP settings are on automatic DHCP so it receives addresses and DNS from your phone. If an app needs a specific DNS, change it only after testing. Once connected, run the TV's network test to confirm internet access. This step proves both local link and internet routing work, and it helps isolate any later streaming issues. Finish by updating the TV's system software if offered, because firmware improves hotspot stability. Start a video app to verify streaming performance. Monitor data usage on your phone so you don't hit caps. If playback stutters, first close heavy apps on the phone and then toggle the hotspot off and on. Reconnect the TV afterward. As one key troubleshooting tip, if the TV won't obtain an IP, try switching the hotspot band between 4 GHz and 5 GHz or reboot both devices. This resolves most final connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.